around the town, it's a real wet shindig. Everybody's gonna get the name in lights. High in the sky, we got a chance to win big. Look, a man flying like a hot balloon. That could be us in the golden afternoon. Look, a lady, calm like a baby, strutting the stuff as she gets so crazy.
So I was all like, wow, this looks way fun. And my friends were all like, oh, it is, trust me.
Bouncing off the floor, try to catch a little wind. Made it out the door, here I am again. I like it when I find there's a lot to do today. People live right nice, and think about my way. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh.
And I'm running around the block, I talk a lot, I walk the dock until I find the best swimsuit. Every now and then I gotta get a bit of treatsy, give a little wink if you know what I mean. See, hey, look, slipping like a water slide, seeing better when I do it and I close my eyes. This place is better than I ever thought, never a thought, couldn't ever reasonably bought. Free hotness, don't stop this, can't top this. Let's drop this beat and hurry up and get on the pier. Everyone is coming and I'm drumming severe. Now get on top, probably best if you don't look down. Now let it pop. Dragon fast so you don't just drown.